सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
Bharat Matrimony, as we all know, is the world's largest matrimony platform that has made a positive difference to the lives of millions around the globe. It has over 20 million profiles and has brought together over 2.5 million couples together. Initiatives from Bharat Matrimony have transformed online matrimony, making it the #1 choice for today's generation looking for their life partners. In connection with Matrimony Day observed around the world on April 14, Bharat Matrimony is kick-starting the celebration with initiatives that attempt to create the world's largest wedding photo album and set a global record with 1 million wedding pictures online at www.millionweddingpics.com. We support Matrimony Day that turns the spotlight on the strongest and the most enduring of all relationships, that is marriage. While the institution of marriage has changed over the years and has often come under the attack of several situations, it still is essential to secure a healthier and happier society, and we seek to promote marriage and celebrate true love. A world record will be an apt reward and recognition for the thousands who will be sharing their wedding pictures for a common cause. And for the same, I would like to now invite our CEO, Mr. Murugavel Janakiraman, to talk about Bharat Matrimony and the cause that we are here for.
To thank Mr. and Mrs. Kapil Dev, who was role model for millions of people. I remember watching the World Cup when India won the World Cup under his leadership and all those things. It was a proud moment for millions of Indians. So when I was a kid watching the thing and all those things, good to share a stage with such an honorable and fantastic person. And when you kind of thought about who could be our people looking for a life partner in India, is Bharat Matrimony. Today Bharat Matrimony has evolved into synonym for matrimony. So that's a success we have got thanks to the trust the customer have on us. So today we believe that our responsibility not only helping people to get married, while the Bharat Matrimony doing multiple things. We have online matrimony, bharatmatrimony.com, you have privileged matrimony, assisted matchmaking service, we have elite matrimony for rich and affluent people. We also physical outlets across India, 140 company-owned outlets. People who are not comfortable using online, they can come to our physical outlets. It's all company-owned outlets. So while we are helping millions of people to get married, and I also got married to bharatmatrimony.com, the institution of marriage has been under attack. You know, people today talking about divorce in order, which India as a country, the diversity is less, sort of 1%. So we believe that as a company, the purpose is not only helping people to get married, we have to ensure that marriage is successful. Because the fundamental, the fabric of any society is happy marriage. What makes a country successful is happy marriage. We as a company believe that our purpose is not only helping people to get married. While every Indians who are getting married wanted them to get married to bharatmatrimony.com, the purpose of bharatmatrimony.com today is the future of the country depends on its citizens. A good citizen comes out of good parenting. A good parenting is possible only in the happy marriage, and we should be the gateway to happy marriage. While we helping people to get married, the bharatmatrimony.com strongly believes Our purpose is helping the marriage is successful. It does not matter whether the marriage happens through Bharat matrimony or not. Every marriage happens in India. Marriage is successful. The April 14th has been observed the matrimony day. Bharat matrimony as a champion of helping people to get married has been promoting this the matrimony day. Year on year is getting better. So this year we thought we want to attempt 2 world records. One is the Guinness Book of Records for world largest wedding album to be unveiled on April 14th on matrimony day. That today on Valentine's Day this is the launch of this website millionweddingpics.com. What is Million Wedding Pics? Get a million, 10 lakhs wedding pictures, Indians across the globe to part of this millionweddingpicture.com. The picture will be, the site will be launched with the uploading of photo by Mr. and Mrs. Kapil, and with the things we hope to get 1 million pictures before April 14. And from that million wedding pictures, we are going to create the world largest wedding album. So 2 world records we are trying to do. One is that million wedding pictures in 2 months time, from February 14th to April 14th. And we thought that happened sooner than April 14th. On April 14th, we are going to unveil the world largest wedding album. So that's going to be the Guinness Book of Record. We already submitted our application. And also take this opportunity to thank some of our couples who got married through Bharat Matrimony. Also here take this opportunity to thank, and always the media friends who have been always supportive of all our initiatives. So marriage is the fundamental building block of any society. It's our responsibility to ensure as a society each and every marriage is highly successful, because only successful marriage can make a successful and happy Bharat. With these few words, I like to invite Mr. and Mrs. Kapil Dev to upload their wedding pictures. The site is getting started with uploading of their wedding pictures. With that, obviously we expect the million wedding pictures getting uploaded soon. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Quite wedding? Or no. Happy wedding.
Very happy.
Oh, okay, great.
इसका हाथ पे
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Yeah. Sir.
हाँ जी
Can you just look at the camera here?
डांस ले रहा हूँ है ना सर ये वोटिंग है भाई शुरू करना मैम आप थोड़ा सा आगे मैम इधर सर हाँ जी
मेरा नाम रोमी है रोमा मत बनाइए
कपिल जी हाँ जी
So this side, one side, sir. Thank you, sir. So can you just...
Okay, thank you very much. All the best. Good luck to you. And I have 100% confidence by the time you will have 14th of April, more than 100 million.
With your blessing, kick-starting, I'm sure it will.
So they are the first place.
Yeah, first one. Yeah, sir.
Formally uploaded.
Close.
This sir is the.
Yeah, sir, move this side. Madam,
Request
ma'am, move this.
guest
Sir, can you just look
and,
left to right
CEO
or something?
Achha,
to
look left to
unveil
right. Okay. Thank you.
actual photo album as well.
So थोड़ा पास में आ जाइए सर.
काफी सालों के पास.
This sir इधर. Kapil sir.
So this side sir.
Kapil, this side. इतनी तो हमारी फोटो हमारी शादी पे नहीं खींची.
So can we upload again?
जो आप करना चाहो.
Madam, sir. Look here, front.
And I have no doubt what I said there. Not 1 million. I think in 30-60 days, you are going to have many millions. All that. क्या अच्छा गाना है. So many millions going to be there. And why not? I think a marriage, it's such a beautiful thing. If you get the right partner, it makes life so good. And no partnership is good enough if both the people ready to work for it. In cricket also, you can't make 100 until unless you have a good partner. Because you need a partner to run with you. But that's how the life is all about. I think we sometimes try to go on fast track and look for result overnight. But this marriage institution is the best, and you need time, you need faith, you need help from each other. And I think we should set a trend in the world. The marriage, the best marriage does happen in our part of the world. For that, I wish you all the luck. Keep up the good work, and I hope the media will help you out in that. Me, for my wife, family, we are really delighted. We look up to this every day, how fast you will reach million photograph on that.
Thank you very much, sir.
कुछ कहेंगी आप सेलिब्रिटी हैं आज. बताना सही होता है ना, सेलिब्रिटी है तो है. घर में ही नहीं है, बाहर भी है. घर में तो है सेलिब्रिटी, बॉस है.
You both are celebrated here. We thank you for these wonderful words. We are open for the Q&A. You can ask our CEO. I'm the chief guest. Anything that you want to.
बड़ा अच्छा लगा, किसी के पास कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है.
That is pretty much surprising.
Mr. Janki Raman, you said we are trying to make all marriages happy.
Yeah.
So, have you got any complaints or any marriages happened through matrimony?
Bharat Matrimony has been a platform where people come and use and get married. While as a platform, whether people got married through Bharat Matrimony or any forms of marriage, the success of marriage depends on what the people understanding the marriage is all about. While we rarely get the complaint, or not complaint, I would say that some marriage may not have worked out in order to, it is nothing to do with the medium actually. It has to do with the people understanding a marriage. I got married to Bharat Matrimony 11 years. There are millions of people. So that's why we understand today the understanding of marriage in India is not there. Those the marriage survived because of societal structure and parental involvement, all those things. Today people are becoming independent while that support system is getting impacted. That's why we realize that as a company, our purpose is not just helping people get married. We want to create a future Bharat through Bharat Matrimony. We really meant it. We want to educate the people about marriage and support the people with any issues and all those things. A lot of things we're going to do. It doesn't matter whether the person got married through Bharat Matrimony or not. We want to take the responsibility of entire marriage in India. Yeah, institution, educating them, product free counseling service across, and so many things going to do it. That's why we believe that we're going to add value to the country. It's just matchmaking will happen through Bharat Matrimony, but this is why we believe that quite excited with the role we can play in building future Bharat.
Any more questions?
One more question.
Yeah.
One question, sir. एक सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा आपसे। मैं दिल्ली में पिछले 4 साल से देख रहा हूँ जो आपका सक्सेस रेशो है। बाकी साइट्स भी देखा मैंने, रजिस्टर किया था bharatmatrimony.com पे, और भी साइट्स हैं, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगा, लेकिन आपका जो सक्सेस रेशो रहा है और जो फिल्टर रिजल्ट्स होते हैं और तमाम चीज़ें होती हैं तो वो काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है। जबकि मैं खुद का अपना वेब डेवलपमेंट कंपनी चलाता हूँ तो इतना जो ग्राफ है और किसी का नज़र नहीं आया मुझे मैट्रिमोनी के स्पेशल साइट्स में। तो आप बता सकते हैं कुछ ऐसी ट्रिक्स, क्योंकि मैं भी अपनी वेब डेवलपमेंट कंपनी चलाता हूँ, मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि आगे मेरी कंपनी बढ़े, तो ऐसी कुछ तो आप बता सकते हैं। Secret of success.
Secret of success. It is about the belief. That's why I tell the people. The belief. It's actually one of the reasons for our success is the belief. We believe that we can help the millions of people to get married. In fact, recently sent an email to one of my top management team and all those things. The email which is sent 10 years ago. Today we have become the largest company. From one-man company today we have become 35 people and all those things. Today we have become 3,000 people. That thing of today we have become largest. We have a long way to go. Lot of dream to achieve. So every level we go, we always reset our access. What next? What more? The continuation is that we're going to be a large company. Lot of dream to achieve and all those things. Strong belief, and thankfully as Mr. Kapil has said, as a team, we are blessed with a wonderful team, and fundamentally we believe that it's a blessing that we are in this service. So I think that the value system, culture, belief, team is all made this success order. So, and always asking what next, what more, continuously taking our business service from one level to the next level.
One more question. कपिल सर, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि आज के जनरेशन के लिए तलाक लेना एक बहुत छोटी बात है, तो इसके बारे में आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं तो ऐसे शब्द सुने ही बहुत कम है। ऐसा है कि देखिए, कोशिश शादी क्या है, एक दूसरे के साथ एडजस्टमेंट करनी है। आई थिंक आज के दिन में हम एडजस्ट करना भूल गए हैं, और अगर हम एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं किसी चीज़ में भी, इट विल मेक द लाइफ मच मोर इजी। शादी करना बहुत आसान है, उसको निभाना बहुत मुश्किल है, और उसके ऊपर मेहनत होनी चाहिए। ये नहीं कि आपकी शादी हो गई बस खत्म हो गया काम, नहीं, आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है टुवर्ड्स योर फैमिली, टुवर्ड्स द किड्स व्हाट हु आर गोइंग टू कम इनटू दिस वर्ल्ड। सो आई थिंक a marriage is sacrifice also. Apart from so much happiness comes, you have to sacrifice your so many likings which you have to make the marriage happen. I think that's why they said if you get a best partner in life, the talaq word should not ever come in our society, because we don't believe that. We believe loving the people, not leaving the people. So that's very important.
बाजार में तो बहुत सारे तो .com घूम रहा है. What is the difference between you and the बाजार वाला?
Bazaar outside in the market, lot of.
So it is about that.
नहीं, आपका जो सर्वर जो है, cannot guarantee nobody can copy it.
No, it is about that. That size. Today we have 2 million active customers. The choice of profit what we get today in Bharat Matrimony, and again in terms of the features, so many things being part of it. Not just the profile alone. Today when you come to Bharat Matrimony, automatically profiles are also matched. We each and every profile verify the phone number. So much of technology has gone into developing all that. So 3 things to talk about. One thing is choice. The millions of profile. Any person you find so many profile. The comfort. Technology allows it, because you want to search for any criteria, the thousands of matches will come.
You can even search for someone matching with all your criteria. Then still you can, I want music lover, I want say sports person. We can even search on the soft element of it, which is only there Bharat Matrimony. Then again the service, what you provide 24/7 across India, anything not okay. Again the trust what you got over the 11 years of the service not today. We recently done a kind of focus group discussion called that individuals and parents. Why they post a profile Bharat Matrimony? They say the credibility and trust. That's why when you want to launch this one without the one person who represent all of the leadership, global achiever, at the same time family, culture, all of that, and that's why they given the Mr. and Mrs. Kapil Dev because they represent everything. So that's what Bharat Matrimony also. It's ambitious at the same time. Rooted to
response from the overseas.
Overseas, yeah, 20% people are from outside of India.
Kapil sir and Romi ma'am, you all make such a lovely couple. I mean, we've grown up seeing you all. But these days we see couples they split at the drop of an hat. So what is that one thing that keeps you all going and inspiring all of us? If you could just tell that one secret.
Then I'll tell you. I like to listen to
Please.
You know, that's what marriage is all about. Listen to other partner.
I suppose tolerance. See, when the days we got married, you got into the relationship thinking this is for keeps. There was no option to say that if I don't like it, I'll opt out. No. And everyone has good times, bad times. But I think tolerance and just acceptance of each other, you know, we're always just looking to criticize, like someone once said, really. You're getting irritated. Write down all the good things, write down all the bad things, and all the good things will be, the list will be far, far longer. So when you learn to count your blessings, I don't think too much can go wrong.
So it's a pleasure.
मेरा very simple है. Listen to other partner.
Which means he doesn't listen at all.
Listen to other partner and let it. I think give a space, respect your own woman. Then what happened? The misunderstandings start coming. And when you respect each other's, life and each other's values, the life becomes much more easy. I maybe disagree so many things, but I must listen to her. What does she think and how she have? I'm honestly, I don't have to agree everything, or she don't have to agree everything on me. But अगर हमारे को सुनने की भी हिम्मत नहीं है, तो then there is no marriage as such. Then वो पुराने ज़माने में हुआ, आदमी ने बोल दिया, बीवी ने करना है, पूछना भी नहीं. आज का ज़माना change हो गया है, technology आ गई है. You must have a time to listen to each other and have a reasoning. दादागिरी नहीं होनी चाहिए. आज के ज़माने में शादी में अगर दादागिरी नहीं होगी, तो जिंदगी बहुत बेहतर होगी.
मेरा एक छोटा सा सवाल है सर. अब तक यही होता रहा है कि मैरिज लाइफ बड़ी मधुर संबंधों में रहे, अच्छे रहे, लेकिन ये भी कहा जाता है कि जब तक कुछ खटास पैदा ना हो तब तक वो भी मजा नहीं आता है. तो मैं एक चीज जानना चाहता हूँ, कभी आपकी लाइफ में इफ यू वांट टू टेल ओपनली बिकॉज कि कोई ऐसी खटास जिसमें खटास हुई और आपके एकदम एडजस्टमेंट हो गई?
देखिए, पहले 3-4 साल बहुत खटास हुई थी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग ईच अदर. आई थिंक हमारी हनीमून पे बहुत बड़ी लड़ाई हुई थी, और ऐसी लड़ाई हुई थी कि क्या फ़ायदा ज़िंदगी का. लेकिन समझने के लिए वक्त लगता है. अगर आप दूसरे इंसान को समझने का भी मौका नहीं दोगे, शादी इज़ नॉट माई वे ओनली वे. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट इज़ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. शायद उस समय मैंने कुछ ऐसा बोला जो उनको ठीक नहीं लगा. तो अगर आपको अपना पार्टनर पढ़े लिखे और नॉलेज वाले चाहिए, तो यू हैव टू हैव अंडरस्टैंडिंग. और बड़ी खटास आई, ये नहीं थोड़ी आई, लेकिन वो इतनी नहीं थी जैसे इन्होंने खुद बोला. वो कोई भी खटास इतनी नहीं थी जितना मीठापन हमें जिंदगी में मिला. वो कहीं गुना ज़्यादा था वो खटास से. सो हर तरह का दौर आता है. आपको अच्छा और पॉजिटिव दौर या समय या वक्त आपको याद रखना चाहिए. हाँ, ज़रूर खटास आया, लेकिन अगर आप पहले 5 साल अंडरस्टैंडिंग कर लेते हो एक दूसरे को, फिर मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपको आना चाहिए। आपको एक दूसरे को समझना है, क्योंकि जो लड़की से आप शादी कर रहे हो डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड से है, ये डिफरेंट उनकी सोच है, उनका रहना सहना खाना पीना सब कुछ अलग हो सकता है, लेकिन उसको वक्त लगता है। अगर आप वक्त भी नहीं आज के दिन में दोगे तो तलाक, जो उन महिला ने, उन मोहतरमा ने बोला कि तलाक बड़ा एक आसान सा शब्द है, तो वो तलाक होता है। तलाक जिंदगी नहीं है, शादी जिंदगी है, क्योंकि यहाँ से एक नई जनरेशन जन्म लेती है।
Thank you, sir.
Sir, my question is to you. First of all, it's a pleasure being with you in the same room. My question is that you being a sportsman, being in a team captaining India, is it easier for a sportsman of any sport to understand married life easily? Because sports is also a game of team spirit.
I think sportsman के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा easy है, क्योंकि हमें हर रोज़ उस चीज़ का सामना करना पड़ता है, हार जीत पार्टनरशिप सब कुछ देखनी पड़ती है। तो इसलिए आप दूसरे खिलाड़ी की रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, अपने कोलीग की रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, तो आपको you know that thing comes out very easy to you. You can't say every day you are going to achieve everything or win everything. It's not possible. But again, you must respect your partner in the business, in the marriage, in sports field, anywhere, and that's what it's required. And I think we as a sports people are lucky to learn from very first day, because school से हम ये खेलना शुरू करते हैं, तो हमें हर रोज उस चीज का सामना करना पड़ता है।
And sir, according to you, which is more difficult, to manage a cricket team or manage married life?
बिल्कुल नहीं। अगर आपकी पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग है, ना क्रिकेट टीम को मुश्किल है हैंडल करना, ना शादी को हैंडल है। आपकी सोच सही होनी चाहिए, आपको दूसरों लोगों को समझने की हिम्मत होनी चाहिए। अगर आप सोचते हैं कि आपको नहीं समझना, ना क्रिकेट टीम चल पाएगी और ना शादी चल पाएगी। आप दूसरे इंसान को जरूर वक्त दो उसको समझने के लिए। और दादागिरी शादी नहीं है, दादागिरी कप्तानी भी नहीं है, और दादागिरी लीडरशिप भी नहीं है आज के ज़माने में, क्योंकि अंडरस्टैंडिंग की सबसे बड़ी जीत है।
थैंक यू सर।
आपको कैसा लगा एक्सपीरियंस आपका? आप बताइए लोगों को।
हेलो, just very pleasant to inform you that my wife is 6-month-old pregnancy.
Congratulations.
You know that I have no words to express my gratitude to this institution, Badal Matrimony, to give her my this loving wife and the same feeling. Thank you.
आज वही है ना,
मुझे लगता है नहीं बोला है। Because I was late, no, so I thought that must be ready. No, because I was late, no. I came just late. I will ask them. So they are saying so many, discussing so many principles regarding the marriage and all.
Understanding.
Even they have the arranged marriage.
No, they want with us.
Yeah, they want couple.
One couple.
Why don't you come on this side? Why don't you come on this side? One by one. Their husband and wife?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Abhijit on this side.
पूरा ग्रुप पर सही बनेगा ना?
सही बनेगा। हाँ, एक्चुअली बिल्कुल। हाँ, यस। यस सर। अभी जितनी बोलना चाहते हैं।
हाँ जी। कहाँ से आप?
करण
All the best.
New Delhi, yeah? We got married in Delhi.
हाँ जी।